Today, I want to share one of the simplest, most powerful trading frameworks you'll ever use. Every single trade should pass through 3 filters. If it fails just one, don't take the trade. It's that simple. Filter number 1, a clean, clear setup, not excitement, not a random green candle, not social media hype. A real setup has structure, it has confirmation, it aligns with liquidity, and the timing makes sense. At Clarion BTC, we want the market to tell us a story before we think about entering a position. Filter number 2, define risk. Before you enter any trade, you should already know 3 things: where you're wrong, where your stop loss is, and exactly how much you're prepared to lose if the trade doesn't work. No guessing, no moving stop loss because of emotion. Professional trading always becomes with real controlled risk. Filter number 3, a logical target. Most traders spend all their time looking for the perfect entry, but they never plan the exit. Then Bitcoin starts to move in their favor and panic sets in. Should I take profit? Should I let it run? Should I close now? That uncertainty doesn't come from the market, it comes from the lack of planning. At Clarion BTC, our targets are based on liquidity pools, previous highs and lows, market imbalances, and realistic risk to reward. Everything is planned before the trade is placed, because once you're in the trade, your job isn't to make emotional decisions, your job is simply to execute the plan. And if you adopt this framework alone, you'll eliminate a huge number of bad trades. Most bad trades are obvious before they even enter. The setup isn't clean, the risk isn't defined, the target didn't make sense. The trade was emotional from the very beginning. Professional trading isn't about taking more trades, it's about taking better trades. Filter more, execute less, protect your capital. That's the Clarion BTC mindset.